Dr. Mukul SANGMA nongialam ka seng Congress ulo ang bahakani ki election MDC Garo Hills ki seng ki badan hakabor synshar kila Pyndonkam Lut bat bor bat Pisa Hynrei ki Paidbah kila sa bat ko Congress kadaw ka bola ay kalong ki Paidbah ki peit ka rukom synshar bat kim iahap ka rukom synshar kaba bamsap kaba Pyndonkam bakla ka bor.
Instances of alleged corruptions and the narrative that revolves around misgovernance are the crucial issues, and those are the priorities. Now, obviously, people have spoken. That's what I'm saying. People have spoken, and in spite of all the wherewithal under their command that they have used to win this election, I'm talking about the party in power. They have used all available resources. They have used heavy money power, but notwithstanding those, with full force that they have campaigned during this election, people have stayed with us. I am sure the purpose and the priorities of the people of the region are very specific towards the responsibility of protecting the interests of the people in the state.
Shuh ulo ang bagi jingjop ka Congress kadei ka jingpynkynmaw bagi Paidbah kidei kyntait ka jingpyndonkam da ka Pisa hakapor election. Halor ka jingthaw ka isi Dr. Mukul ulo ang baha ka Congress kam shong kaban thaw ka isi Hynrei ka Pyndonkam ka long man peit ka baha ka miat ki Paidbah.
Forming the executive committee or not is not the issue. Here the issue is to actually ensure that we speak the language that revolves around our intent of protecting the interests of the people in the state.